Hello all. Today we will discuss about technique 3. Technique 1 and 2 we have already discussed. If you didn't watch those videos, please go and watch those videos in work and time playlist. Technique 3 says if A and B can do a piece of work in X days, B and C together can do the same work in Y number of days, and A and C can do the same amount of work in Z number of days, then if they work together, they can complete the work in, it means A plus B plus C. Together they can complete the work in 2xyz by xy plus yz plus zx number of days. So this is the formula. Either you can remember this formula, otherwise I will tell you how we got this formula. Let's see. We have these three equations. From these three equations, let's calculate the work done in one day. So A plus B together they can do 1 by x of the work according to rule 1. Rule 1 is discussed in the video number 2 in the same playlist. Similarly, B plus C together they can do 1 by y of the work in one day. And A plus C, one day's work will be 1 by z of the work. Let's add all these three. It gives A plus B plus B plus C plus A plus C equals to 1 by x plus 1 by y plus 1 by z. We are doing addition of these three. So we will get 2a plus 2b plus 2c on left hand side, and xyz is LCM, and the numerator will be yz plus xz plus xy. 2 is common, a plus b plus c equals to yz plus xz plus xy by xyz. A plus b plus c is equals to yz plus xz plus xy by 2 into xyz. So this is the amount of work done by A plus B plus C all together in one day. So this is the amount of work done by A, B and C in one day. We already know, according to rule number 2, which is discussed in video number 2 in the same playlist, it says if a person can do 1 by nth of the work in one day, then he can finish that work in n number of days. So if A plus B plus C can finish this amount of work in one day, then they can complete the whole work in reciprocal of this value number of days. It means 2xyz by yz plus xz plus xy number of days. So this is the formula given. Let me zoom out so you can see the entire question and answer. Let me recap what we have done. Here we have calculated one day's work of given values. It means A plus B is one day work, B plus C one day work, and A plus C one day work. And then I have summed up all those values. So I got 2 into A plus B plus C is equal to this value. And then A plus B plus C is equal to, this is the amount of work done by all of them in one day. So if I do the reciprocal of one day work, then we will get the number of days that work can be completed. This is how we can calculate. So I request you all to know the method how we can solve the problem rather than remembering the formula. Let's solve this example so that we can get a clear idea. Here they have given A and B can do a piece of work in 3 days. B and C can do a piece of work in 9 days. C and A can do the same work in 12 days. So find the time in which A, B and C together can finish the work. So A plus B plus C, if they work together, then how many number of days they take to finish that work? This is the question they have given. So first we have to calculate the work done by these pairs in one day. So for one day, A plus B's work will be 1 by 3 of the work. Then B plus C, just we have to reciprocal because this is the total number of days they can finish. So to calculate one day's work, then we have to find the reciprocal of that value. So B plus C work will be 1 by 9 and C plus A work will be 1 by 12. Then we have to add these three values. So A plus B plus C into 2 because 2 A's, 2 B's and 2 C's. And right side 1 by 3 plus 1 by 9 plus 1 by 12. So 2 into a plus b plus c is equals to, LCM will be 36, 12 3 is 36, 9 4 is 36, 12 3 is 36, 18 by 36. So a plus b plus c will be 19 by 2 into 36, that equals to 19 by 72. This is the amount of work done by a plus b plus c in one day. So to find out the total number of days required by a plus b plus c will be reciprocal of this value, which is nothing but 72 by 19. This is due to rule number 2. These rules are discussed in the first 2 videos of the playlist. So if you haven't watched those 2 videos, I request you to watch those videos so that you will get one clarity and you can solve any type of problem under work on time. So this is the number of days. So when we find out the mixed fraction, 3 15 by 19, it means 3 days and 15 by 19, roughly around, so 3.8 days. So this is a problem. This is a somewhat a lengthy problem, but on practice you can solve these problems within 1 minute. If you find these videos are informative, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Number Nerd.